and Casino. Derek, welcome back. Good to see you again.
Hey, great to see you guys. How you doing?
Pretty good. We've been talking a lot about the space in recent days, some of the challenges of testing. But if we're looking for bright spots, it does sound like the sports book is definitely one of them.
Absolutely. I mean, I think I heard David say it earlier today. Let's look for some good news here. I mean, the right that we're seeing in NFL football is really unbelievable. We expected, this season to really jump up in volume, and boy, I'll tell you what. Opening Thursday night with the Chiefs, on Sunday opening weekend, and then last night with the Battle of Ohio with the Browns and the Bengals. I think everybody in Las Vegas was really shocked about how much the volume has jumped up. I think you see it in Penn stock, you see it in DraftKings stock. We expected a big surge, but boy, oh boy, this is really something.
Right. Yeah, we've been talking about Penn a lot lately, too. Stifel, of course, yesterday went to 85 on their target. Why do you think expectations were, I guess, tempered compared to how reality is playing out? Was it concerns about a resurgence of cases within the leagues? And if that's true, why do you think that hasn't really happened?
I wouldn't really say that, the expectations were lower in any way. Expectations were at breakout levels. We were looking at some new numbers, and then numbers just exceeded them. I mean, the pent-up demand for sports wagering is really amazing, and it just exceeded everyone's record expectations.
Derek, how do we get a handle on just ultimately how big this can become? Everyone agrees the market's expanding with legalization and all these new platforms. I guess the big question, if you're a public investor in DraftKings or Penn, is just, is there enough to go around longer term?
I think it really comes down to some of the analysts have to figure out the business models. What DraftKings is doing and the positioning that they're taking. Obviously, they're a big company making a lot of marketing moves. Penn, with what they're doing, is making a number of moves. But then you have a number of other companies, from what Caesars is doing, what MGM is doing, what Circa Sports is doing. I mean, we all have different models here. And, boy, this is great to see what's happening in America. We got a little competition, and we're in a market that's growing very, very rapidly. So this is going to be something really fun to see how it shakes out.